Thank you for coming to watch part 2 on how to convert a picture into an SVG. I'm going to be using one of these 11 by 14 canvases that I got in a pack of 7 from Walmart for about $13. Usually you use the green standard grip mat, however my blue mat is stickier, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. Next, apply your vinyl. I'm going to be using heat transfer vinyl for my canvas, but permanent vinyl works too. If you watched my last video, you've seen that I inserted a square and changed the size to 11 by 14. Then I changed the color to white and sent it to the back. Doing this, you can easily place your image on your canvas and adjust it how you want so that you can cut out the correct size. When you're ready, click Make It. If you're using heat transfer vinyl, you're going to want to mirror your image. Then you're going to want to place your design where you want it cut on your mat and click Continue. If you're not connected to your machine, you'll do that now. Once your machine is connected, select the type of material you're going to be using. You will want to load your machine, and then it'll tell you when it's ready to cut. You push the cut button. As you can see, my Cricut maker is cutting my picture out of my vinyl. And as it's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and show you Cricut heat press. I use it on 160 degrees Celsius. It says 30 seconds, but I only use it for 15. Some other stuff I use is this Cricut mat. However, for this canvas, I will not be using it because I'm going to do a regular canvas instead of a reverse canvas. I will be using my parchment paper. I reuse this over and over again unless I get like glitter or holographic vinyl that comes off onto it. At that point, I will throw it away and get a new piece, but other than that, save your parchment paper and reuse it. The machine will let you know it's done cutting when the arrows are flashing. Just push it and it'll release your mat. When peeling vinyl off my mats, I flip my mats over and peel it this way, that way it prevents it from curling. Next, I'm going to cut out my scraps. Around this. I cut out as much as I can because I love to save my scraps. I always use them. It's time to weed. I always start in a corner and peel. We're just going to weed all of this. When you're completely finished weeding, you can place your design on your canvas how you would like to iron it on. Then you want to lay a piece of parchment paper over your design and begin ironing. I flipped it and I'm just going to iron it from the side. Okay, now we just remove the plastic and you'll have your finished piece. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more tips and tricks on the Cricut, subscribe below.